I'm sailing to a distant shore. The sky is blue and the wind is warm. I asked myself which way to go, to reach for land or stay afloat. And I have all the time in the world. The sunset rays, they pierce the sky, and may I see a starlit night. I'm rocked to sleep, alone at sea. It makes me dream of gallantry. And I have all the time in the world. A storm is moving in. The waves are bearing on me. The rain will drown me. The stars I can't see. A storm is moving in.